Next one is going to be lower back range of motion. Okay, I want to do this standing. Herbie, you want to do one more or are you exhausted?
I'm not exhausted.
Good, stand up for me.
I'm exhausted.
Okay, never mind, he's done. Right here for me. Like the neck, we have 6 degrees range of motion. We'll start with flexion to the right first. So if you want to stand up, you can. If you want to sit there, you can. Do whatever you want to do. Okay? I like the class participation. So much fun. Start with bending to your, let's turn this way, Herman. Bend to your left side. Your left, bend your whole body to the left. Again, the left side of your lower back should not feel painful. The right side should feel a little bit tight. That feel okay. And when you bend, try to bend like my body is here, right to the side, not forward, not backwards. No rotation, just right, like lateral bend to the side. All right, no soreness left side, good. Now go to the right side. Bring your hand this time down the sleeve or the crease of your pants or your skirt. Let that hand slide all the way down as far as you can. The right side might be a little bunched up like mine. Left side might be a little tight. Again, that's normal range of motion. Okay? Any questions about that?